Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong August 1 to 15, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Kaka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's up? Ascendant, entrance. This is about yourself. So ngayong first half ng August, you will be focusing on yourself. Yes, your life source, your energy. So pwedeng magpapalakas ka ngayong first half ng August. And you are going to shine. Yung iba sa inyo malakas ang energy ng Leo. Pwedeng meron kayong placements ng Leo. This is focusing on yourself, Capricorn. So, maaring you're also being asked na mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, palakasin mo yung pangangatawan mo, yung kalusugan mo, yung vitality mo. Ayan. And ngayong first half ng August, magiging malakas ka. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo mag-gym, mag-workout. And pwede rin makakuha kayo ng attention galing sa iba dahil nakikita nila yung hard work mo. Especially if you are improving your health, improving your physical body, yung mga nagiging physically fit ngayon. Your overall energy is the King of Cups. Very intuitive, empathic. So, malakas yung inyong, ngayon, inyong intuition. Yung pagiging sensitive, no? You're going to be very sensitive sa energy sa paligid mo. Alam mo kung if there's something wrong. You will know if someone is not, parang, kung merong isang tao na hindi ka nagugustuhan, mararamdaman mo yun. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng in love. In love. If you are in a relationship. So, let's see your challenge. Four of Cups. Yung iba bored. Pwedeng merong sadness na parang may frustration yung iba sa inyo. Na meron kayong gustong gawin, hindi niyo magawa. For some reasons, pwedeng yung iba, may limitation sa inyo, pwedeng nagkasakit kayo, or parang you're just not feeling good. But there is something na ino-offer sa'yo, hindi mo lang napapansin sa ngayon. So, ang rito advice is to focus on your blessings. Ano yung mga bagay na ipinagpapasalamat mo para mas gumanda yung pakiramdam mo. Being grateful. Okay, so what is your opportunity? Wow, the sun. May sun na ulit, double sun. Okay, so ngayong August, Capricorn, mararamdaman mo meron kang kakaibang lakas. Oo, mas energetic ka ngayong first half ng August. Maaring naka-recover ka na from anything na nagka-problema ka before, like anything that parang nagpabigat ng kalooban mo. So, ngayon, mas malakas ka. You have the energy that you need. You are more confident. Like what I mentioned kanina, you will gain parang may mga tao na magfo-focus rin sa'yo, like they will notice your talents, your skills. Marami makakapansin sa'yo. Okay, your blessing is the Three of Cups. So, merong celebration dito. celebration of abundance, joy. So, maaring yung iba, you will be reuniting with your friends, pwedeng may reunion, nagsasama-sama kayo ng mga kaibigan mo, mahal mo sa buhay, pwede rin family, to celebrate something. Maaring meron kayong milestone na is to celebrate. Let's see what else. Discipline. You are really focused. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaaral na skill. Yung, anything na alam nyo makakatulong sa inyong well-being, sa inyong career, sa business ninyo, inaaral nyo yan. You are moving on. Making adjustments. Meron ditong parang endings and new beginnings. Okay? So, may natapos, may nagsisimula. So, kanya-kanyang yan iba-iba yung endings and new beginnings yan para sa iba-iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa relationship, may endings, may new beginnings. Yung iba naman sa trabaho, sa career. So, just take what resonates. You are more aware now. Marami kang realization sa buhay mo ngayon. Especially if you already have a family. Marami kang nare-realize na, ganito pala. Ganito pala ang buhay pamilya. Buhay ng may pamilya. You are also wanting to improve yourself. Ina-assess mo kung ano pa yung mga bagay na gusto mong ayusin, baguhin sa buhay mo. So, your money, career, finances, you have the Queen of Wands, Temperance, and the Hermit. Oo, I think ang nire-reassess mo ngayon, yung career path mo. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, not actually hindi na masaya Kasi pwede namang masaya ka sa trabaho mo, pero hindi ka fulfilled. Pwede yun. 'Di ba? Parang feeling mo may kulang. Oo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, ganon, ang na-experience nyo. Gusto nyo lumaya. You want freedom. You want to focus on what will make you feel happy, contented, and then, at the same time, magagamit mo yung creativity mo. Yung iba sa inyo, umabsent sa work, pwedeng nagkasakit, tapos nare-realize mo na, teka, ganito na lang ba lagi? So, nag-iisip-isip ka dyan. Na kung i-devote mo ba lahat ng oras mo, panahon mo sa trabaho na hindi ka naman fulfilled. May jealous. Pwedeng merong person sa trabaho mo, sa workplace mo, jealous of you. So, be careful na lang sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. And in making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut. Okay, trust your instincts. Yes. So, yung iba sa inyo na nagde-decide pagdating sa trabaho, career, business, mag-focus raw kayo sa inyong instincts, sa inyong intuition. Kasi mararamdaman nyo yan kung saan kayo mas magiging masaya. Okay, sa relationship, you have the Ten of Cups, Two of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, masaya naman kayo sa inyong relationship. Especially that you are being able to give kung ano yung needs ng family mo. Meron ditong transformation for some of you. Yung iba, ito ay endings and new beginnings sa relationship. So, just take what resonates. Pwedeng may nag-end na relationship and now, you are thinking kung ready ka na ba for a new relationship, but I think yung iba sa inyo magpo-focus muna sa inyong mahal sa buhay. Oo. Tas biglang may flirting dito. Enjoying the moment with someone may lead to romance. Okay, if you are single, pwedeng you will try to go out. Okay, just be careful lang. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman talaga naghahanap ng, hindi ka naman talaga interesado, no? Mm. Kasi, ayan o, release control and let things unfold naturally. Hindi mo naman kailangang ipilit. Hindi porket wala ka ng relationship, dapat magkaroon ka kaagad. 'Di ba? Heart medicine, let go of that which does not serve your highest good. So, ayun na nga, yung ile-let go mo. Yung iba sa inyo, this is letting go of a relationship. Healing wisdom is surfacing. Stop and listen. Yes. You are healing, Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo, mas magpo-focus sa healing. Healing in all aspects of life. Okay? So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye.